What if I told you that a simple Dollar Tree find could completely transform your garden into a magical night wonderland? Imagine walking outside and seeing soft glowing lights twinkling like tiny fairies, all thanks to items that cost less than a cup of coffee. Welcome to Green Haven Homes, where creativity meets budget-friendly gardening. I'm so excited you're here, because today I'm going to show you how to turn ordinary solar lights into a stunning night garden that will leave your neighbors asking for your secret. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe and ring the notification bell so you never miss another amazing DIY garden transformation. Trust me, you're going to want to try this yourself. Idea number 1, why solar lights are a game changer. Solar lights are one of those simple magical touches that can completely change the way your garden feels at night. You don't need a huge budget or complicated installations to get that cozy, enchanting glow. Even the smallest, most affordable Dollar Tree solar lights can turn dark corners into charming little havens. The key is understanding how they work and where to place them for maximum effect. I love using them because they're not only cost-effective, but they're also energy-efficient, charging during the day and lighting up your garden without any extra electricity. The best part is how versatile they are. You can scatter them along pathways, tuck them into flower beds, or even cluster them in jars to create that magical fairy tale vibe. You'll notice that just a few lights strategically placed can make your outdoor space feel like a completely new world when the sun goes down. And don't worry if you've never done something like this before. Start small, experiment, and you'll see how even tiny adjustments can completely elevate your garden. By the end of this video, you'll have a glowing garden that looks expensive, but really, it's all thanks to a few simple, thoughtful touches. Now that we've talked about how magical solar lights can be, the next step is choosing the perfect jars to showcase them. Jars aren't just containers, they're the secret ingredient that transforms ordinary lights into something truly enchanting. You can use mason jars, recycled jars, or even decorative jars with unique shapes and textures. Clear glass lets the light shine brightly, creating a crisp, sparkling effect, while frosted or textured glass softens the glow and gives your garden a dreamy, mystical atmosphere. Don't be afraid to mix and match different sizes and shapes. Part of the fun is experimenting with what looks best in your space. One of my favorite tips is to think about how the jars will interact with your existing garden elements. Place taller jars behind shorter ones to create depth, or cluster a few together to make a cozy, magical corner. Even if a jar looks plain during the day, when night falls, it can become the centerpiece of your nighttime oasis. Remember, the magic isn't just in the lights, it's in how you display them. Play around with placement, trust your instincts, and let your garden reflect your personal style. By the end of this step, you'll see that the right jars can completely elevate your solar lights from simple decorations to a captivating nighttime wonder. Once you've picked out your jars, it's time to prepare them for their magical transformation. The first step is simple but important. Make sure each jar is clean and free of dust or residue. A sparkling clean jar not only looks better during the day, but it also allows the light to shine clearly at night. From there you can get creative. Some people like to leave the jars plain for a classic, elegant glow, while others love adding a personal touch with paint, stickers, or a frosted spray. Even a light layer of glitter or some metallic accents can make your jar feel extra special when the lights come on. The best part is, there's no wrong way to do this. Imperfect designs often end up looking the most magical once illuminated. Another tip is to think about layering elements inside the jars. You can add small pebbles, moss, or even tiny fairy figurines. Each layer adds depth and creates a sense of wonder when the light flickers through. Don't rush this step, take a moment to play with different combinations and see what catches your eye. Your garden is your canvas, and each jar is a miniature work of art. The excitement comes not only from seeing them glow at night, but also from the joy of creating something unique with your own hands. By the end of this step, your jars won't just hold lights, they'll hold magic. Now that your jars are beautifully prepared, it's time to bring them to life by installing the solar lights. This step is where the magic really starts to happen, and the best part is how simple it is. Most Dollar Tree solar lights come with a small stake or a built-in base, making them easy to position inside your jars. Start by placing the light at the bottom of the jar, making sure the solar panel is exposed to sunlight during the day so it can charge fully. If needed, you can trim or adjust the light to fit snugly inside the jar. This little adjustment ensures your lights stay secure and shine consistently all night long. One of my favorite tips is to hide any wires or stakes using decorative elements inside the jar, like moss or pebbles. This keeps the look clean and magical without distracting from the glow. You can also experiment with stacking a few jars together or placing them at different heights to create a layered enchanting effect in your garden. Don't worry if it takes a few tries to get it just right, this is all part of the fun. The thrill comes when the sun sets, and you see your carefully arranged jars start to glow, turning an ordinary space into a mesmerizing nighttime garden. By the end of this step, you'll realize just how transformative a few simple solar lights can be. Now that your solar lights are nestled safely inside the jars, it's time to add a little extra magic. This is where your creativity can really shine and the possibilities are endless. You can layer in natural elements like moss, tiny pebbles, or even sand to create a textured, whimsical base for the lights. Little figurines, fairies, butterflies, or miniature animals can bring a storybook feel to each jar. Even something as simple as a sprinkle of glitter or a few small crystals can make the light dance in beautiful, unexpected ways. Every element you add enhances the overall enchantment and gives your night garden personality.
The secret here is to experiment and have fun. Don't worry about perfection. Sometimes the most charming effects come from small, imperfect touches that catch the light in surprising ways. You can mix and match jars with different decorations, or create themed clusters that tell a story across your garden. And remember, these little details aren't just for show. They make stepping into your garden at night feel like stepping into a completely new world. By the end of this step, your jars will no longer be simple containers. They'll be tiny portals of light and wonder, ready to transform your garden into something truly magical. Now that your jars are glowing with magical light and decorated to perfection, it's time to arrange them in your garden for maximum impact. Placement makes all the difference. You can scatter the jars along pathways to create a guiding glow, cluster them in flower beds for a dreamy effect, or place them near seating areas so your garden feels cozy and inviting. Don't be afraid to play with height. Placing jars on stones, small stands, or even tree stumps adds depth and makes your night garden feel layered and dynamic. Think about movement and flow as you arrange your jars. Instead of lining them up in a straight row, try creating curves or gentle waves to mimic natural shapes. This not only looks more organic, but also adds a sense of wonder as visitors explore your space. Remember, less can be more. Give each jar room to shine and avoid overcrowding. By mixing larger and smaller jars, varying heights, and grouping them thoughtfully, you can transform even a small garden into a luminous, magical wonderland. By the end of this step, your garden won't just be decorated. It will feel alive, welcoming, and full of nighttime charm. Once your jars are arranged, it's time to explore the different effects you can create to make your night garden even more magical. One of the most exciting things about using solar lights in jars is how versatile they are. You can mix warm and cool lights to create contrasting moods, or place colored decorative elements inside the jars to change the tone of the glow. Try layering translucent pebbles, glass beads, or tiny crystals to refract the light. Each jar becomes a little jewel sparkling in the dark. Another fun tip is to experiment with clusters versus single jars. A group of 3 or 5 jars together creates a cozy, whimsical corner, while a single jar strategically placed along a pathway can act like a guiding star. You can even try arranging them in patterns or shapes for extra visual interest. The key is to step back frequently and see how the light interacts with your garden at night. Sometimes a small adjustment, like moving a jar a few inches, can make the glow even more enchanting. By the end of this step, you'll see that your garden isn't just lit up. It's transformed into a dynamic, magical space that feels alive after the sun goes down. Now that your night garden is glowing beautifully, it's important to take a few simple steps to keep it looking magical all season long. First, remember to clean your jars regularly. Dust, dirt, and water spots can dull the light, so a quick rinse or wipe down every few weeks makes a big difference. If you've added decorative elements like moss or glitter, check occasionally to make sure everything stays in place and hasn't shifted inside the jar. A little maintenance goes a long way in keeping your garden sparkling night after night. Another tip is to make sure your solar lights are getting enough sunlight during the day. Even though these little lights are designed to charge on their own, placing them in shaded areas can affect how brightly they shine at night. If a jar isn't lighting up as strongly as you'd like, Try repositioning it, or trimming back plants that block the sun. And remember, don't stress over perfection. Part of the charm of a magical garden is that it feels alive and natural. By taking just a few minutes to care for your jars and lights, you can ensure your night garden stays enchanting, cozy and inviting no matter what season it is. Now that your jars are glowing, and your garden is arranged beautifully, let's take it a step further with some bonus creative ideas to make your night garden truly unique. One of my favorite tricks is to create themed clusters. For example, you could make a fairy garden corner with moss, tiny figurines, and soft-colored lights, or a sparkling crystal nook, using clear beads and frosted jars. Seasonal themes work beautifully too. Think autumn leaves inside jars for fall, or small ornaments for a festive winter display. These little touches give your garden personality, and make it feel like a living magical world. Another fun idea is to experiment with hanging jars. Using sturdy twine or chains, you can suspend jars from tree branches or pergolas, creating floating lights that add dimension and movement. You can even mix standing and hanging jars for a layered effect that feels whimsical and immersive. The key is to let your imagination run wild. There's no right or wrong here. Every jar tells a story, and every light adds to the enchantment of your space. By the end of this step, your garden will feel like it came straight out of a fairy tale, proving that with a little creativity, even simple Dollar Tree finds can create something truly magical. And just like that, our magical night garden is complete. From simple Dollar Tree solar lights to creatively decorated jars, we've transformed an ordinary outdoor space into a glowing, enchanting wonderland. I hope you're feeling inspired to try this yourself, because the beauty of a garden like this is that it's affordable, fun, and completely customizable to your style. Remember, it's not about perfection. It's about creating a space that makes you smile every time you step outside at night. If you loved this transformation, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, share it with friends who love DIY and gardening, and subscribe to Green Haven Homes for more creative, budget-friendly ideas. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll always know when a new magical project is ready to try. I can't wait to see how you bring your own night garden to life. And remember, every jar, every light, and every little touch adds a bit of magic to your world. Until next time, happy gardening, and keep creating those magical spaces you'll love to come home to.